So hello friends and welcome to my channel Tips and Tricks by me. So today I am again back with another tutorial about how to make your computer, Windows 10 computer specifically fast. And this is the part 2 of this video. If you haven't seen the previous part, you can see the link in the description or at the top. So let's begin with the video. So in the previous video I told you quite a lot of tweaks, but today we'll be doing all the tweaks with the command prompt, terminal or the PowerShell, whichever you like. I'll be going with the terminal today. So let's run this terminal as the administrator, and you can open anything. I will be using administrator PowerShell because PowerShell these days is the best CMD. So getting on to it, what you can do first of all is the check this command. I will paste the check this command in the description as well, and you can also take from here, or you can see what I am typing now. And the check this command, actually I just checked it on the web, and it is something like this, and you can always use it. Now after this check this, you have to write E:/F. Now this checks the disk for any flaws, but right now if I dismount the disk, without using check disk cannot run because the volume is in use by another process. Check disk may run it if this volume is dismounted first. All open handles to this volume will be then invalid. So right now the software which I am recording with is in this drive, so I will not do the check disk, otherwise you can always do it. And now right now no, yeah, so you can run it on any other thing, and it says that it will be checked on the next restart, but yes, I am not doing that also, so you can just leave it. And the next command which is that cipher/w:/C. Now what this does, it deletes all the bad sectors in the drive and the recovery sectors of the drive. If you know that everything that you delete on the drive and from the recycle bin can be recovered using some recovery softwares and physical modifications and many other things. So if you run this command according to Microsoft has claimed that this will delete every recovery sector and no one will be able to recover anything from these particular drives if you run this command. So you can just press enter. Now as you can see that you need to close all applications while running this command, but if you close command prompt, this command will stop, and it will take a lot of time to do because it's quite a big drive, so you just need to wait. So let's wait. Actually we are not gonna wait because in my computer once it took almost an hour or so, and in the bigger drive it took around 4 hours, so I'm just cancelling it using the Control-C command. But you can always run this. It will take 3 steps and you need to wait for them to complete. Now the next command which we are going to run will be sfc/scannow. Now this, what it does is it checks all the system integrity files, and if there is anything wrong in any system file or anything is kind of wrong, or you can say that there are some integrity issues in their system, it will just fix it. And the other thing is this command. I will just paste it in the that description. I have also copied it from where I have before had it, and this is dism.exe/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth. Now this should be run with you connected to the internet. As you can see, I am connected to an Ethernet right now, and just click enter, and development image servicing and management tool version, this is this, image version, this. And so right now this is also running, and I'm going to pause the recording for the meanwhile till both these commands get completed. They will not take more than a minute or so, so let's just wait. Now as you can see, Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations. That means all system files are good, and even if you find any error, just don't panic. This command will definitely fix it, and if it doesn't, that is why we run this command, dism.exe online cleanup image restore health. The restore operation completed successfully. The operation completed successfully. That means yes, our system is very nice now, and if there were any system errors, it is now done. So these are some things that you can do to make your computer fast. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. If you haven't seen the first part, all you need to do is you need to click on the link above or the link in the description or in the pinned comment. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye bye.